The best oil for hair growth, eyebrows and eyelashes. This does not ever fail. Do your hair have weak, brittle, damaged, dry, or suffer from dandruff or hair loss? So how about trying an oil that can help you a lot in these problems? Millennia ago, when women did not have the variety of products that we find today, they used in their hair something very natural, castor oil or lime. Did you know that castor oil has many powerful effects on the skin and hair? Rich in omega-9 fatty acids, this oil has the essential components that improve the health of hair and follicles. In addition, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has a very potent antibacterial and antifungal effect. It can destroy the fungus or bacteria that prevent the natural growth of hair. So try the castor oil if you want a natural sheen in your hair. To use it in the hair will cause in the medium term the following expected benefits. Falling cables will be reduced. Strengthen hair. It will stimulate its growth. Leaves hair silky and healthier. It will promote deep hydration. Reduces dryness. It will progressively remove the open ends. It will calm the harmful effects caused by chemicals, dryers and copetus. How is it used? If you are wanting your hair to grow stronger, all you have to do is rub some castor oil on the scalp. All you need to do is with a brush for capillary purposes, or even with the tips of the fingers, apply the castor oil on the scalp, always massaging the applied area. When the leather is already moist with the oil, try to extend it to the whole length of the hair. Put a few drops in the palm of the hand, rub them well and apply in the region of the tips, which are usually the most damaged. Sleep with your hair like that and wash well the next day. Repeat the procedure 3 times a week. You need to dilute it with a little light oil such as coconut oil, apricot oil or any other oil that can help spread it better. If you want to get thicker hair, use pure castor oil. What can also be done is to apply the oil to the eyelashes to help thicken and strengthen them, and to prevent their thinning.